The New Normal, Unraveling the Impact of Climate Crisis on Hurricane Melissa. In a devastating turn of events, Hurricane Melissa, the most powerful storm to ever strike Jamaica, has left an indelible mark. A team of scientists has revealed that every aspect of this catastrophic hurricane was intensified by the ongoing climate crisis. Melissa made landfall as a Category 5 hurricane on October 28, with winds reaching an astonishing 185 miles per hour. The research highlights that such intense winds are now 5 times more frequent due to the climate crisis, a stark reminder of the changing nature of our planet. The storm's impact was felt far and wide, destroying homes, businesses, and livelihoods, and causing damages estimated to be equivalent to nearly a third of Jamaica's GDP. As Melissa moved on to hit Cuba, its ferocious winds caused destruction across the Dominican Republic and Haiti, resulting in at least 61 fatalities. But here's where it gets controversial. The savage strength of Melissa was exacerbated by overheated air and ocean temperatures, a direct result of the heat-trapping emissions from burning fossil fuels. An international team of scientists has determined that climate change increased Melissa's maximum wind speeds by 7% and extreme rainfall by a staggering 16%. And this is the part most people miss. Events like the relentless 5-day rainfall in Jamaica are now about 30% more intense and twice as likely due to today's altered climate, which is approximately 1.3 C hotter globally compared to pre-industrial times. Global heating has made the atmospheric and marine conditions behind such extreme events 6 times more probable. What we see with Hurricane Melissa and other recent monster storms is that they are becoming so intense that they will soon push millions of people beyond the limits of adaptation, warns Friedrich Otto, a climate scientist at Imperial College London and one of the study's authors. Unless we take drastic action, we will see more and more countries reaching these limits. Melissa is not an isolated incident. The rapid intensification of major storms, as seen with Melissa's wind speeds increasing from 68 miles per hour to 139 miles per hour in just one day, is a hallmark of a warming climate. Scientists have found that storms can feed on the heat in the ocean and atmosphere, becoming more fierce and destructive. Hurricane Melissa's catastrophic landfall in Jamaica is not an anomaly, it is a stark warning sign, says Jamaica Campbell, a senior lecturer at the University of the West Indies, Jamaica. When a storm can intensify so rapidly over ocean waters that are 1.5 C warmer than normal, we are witnessing the dangerous new reality of our warming world. The aftermath of Hurricane Melissa has once again brought the issue of international climate finance to the forefront. Developing countries, vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, have long urged wealthier nations to contribute funds to help them adapt to and recover from heatwaves, storms, and droughts, which they have done little to cause. Next week, countries will gather for annual UN climate talks in Belém, Brazil, to discuss climate finance yet again. In the lead-up to these talks, Andrew Holness, Jamaica's Prime Minister, emphasized the urgency of the situation, stating that contributions to aid funds for at-risk countries like Jamaica are currently grossly inadequate. He urged developed nations to honor their commitments and scale up climate finance, recognizing that adaptation is crucial for the survival of small island developing states. As we navigate this new reality, the question remains, will the world unite to address the climate crisis and its devastating impacts, or will we continue to witness the tragic consequences of our inaction?